ArcelorMittal's up 11% in a week. That stock is seeing a lot of activity in the options market. Pete, you're up first.
Yeah, and we've seen activity in here before as well, Scott, but this is pretty good because what we're seeing is fairly short term again, looking into October, and they're just looking at a strike just above this. But you can see by the chart here, it's bounced, and here it is maybe moving to the upside once again. Is it ready to finally kind of break out to the upside? Well, we're seeing some call buying in there today. Over 5,000 of these October calls being bought, the 33s, just out of the money. Stock's about 10 or 15 cents lower than when it was when they started buying these calls. They were about 95 cents. So it's a little bit cheaper now, I suspect, but we're seeing some pretty good paper in there. That's a little bit more than 5,100. I got a quick update for you as well. By the way, I bought those calls. I added to my other calls. I got a quick update for you. CVS. Back on August 22nd, we talked about CVS and some huge October 75 call buying. I think the number was somewhere close to 10,000 of those. Look at this run since that time. I mean, this is a pretty significant run to the upside. The stock was trading at the time around 73. Here we are, 79, pushing towards the all-time or the 52-week highs right now for CVS. I took that position off today. I'm out.
All right, Doc, what do you got?
All right, Judge, take a look at FedEx, FDX. This is an October spread. They came in with stock at 246, and they came in buying calls rather aggressively. I already have UPS. This is another bet on some deliveries. Of course, the deliveries to Apple for all those iPhones we're buying, the XS Max and all the rest. October 250 is only about $4 out of the money right now, but they came in, as you can see, bought over 5,000, pushing towards 6,000 now on a big expensive stock, at least, you know, trading $246. I like that. I'm in these calls. Also, take a look at what's going on in a stock that feeds the stock that Pete was just talking about. He was talking about Mittal, ArcelorMittal. This one, Cleveland Cliffs. What they pull out of the ground is what ArcelorMittal needs. So, stock's up 16 cents right now. They come in also buying October calls, so relatively short term. They're buying the OCT13s, traded about 7,000, almost 8,000 of them like that. I jumped on these. You can see normal activity is pretty low in there, so this really stands out. I'll be in these about a month.
That's been one of the better performers in that whole industry.
Well, look at the year-to-date, 70%.
Year-to-date's been great.
Like that.
Even this most recent, I mean, that's a pretty big spike recently.